In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Maps history. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Google Maps and there hit at your profile picture at the top right-hand corner. Next, tap at Settings and there scroll down for a bit and get into Maps history. Next, here wait for a couple of seconds and there where is search feature, just hit here at delete until drop down menu comes up, and here you can select period of time for history that you want to delete. You can delete history for today, delete for all the time. You can also select custom range, or from here you can hit at auto delete and set up auto deletion feature. I'll just hit at delete for today, and as you see, now my map activity for today is being deleted. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.